What's up, everybody? Welcome back to the channel. Welcome back to another video. For those of you that don't know, my name is Antonio Matuire and I own a 2018 BMW M3. So have you ever wondered if E85 really makes a difference in your car? Okay, let's be real. Of course it does. But I'm curious to see how much of a difference it makes. So in today's video, I'm gonna be getting some runs in with my homeboy AJ. He has a 340, obviously equipped with the B58 engine, and he is running E. Right now, my car's on 91 octane, so we're gonna get some runs in while he's on E, see how close they are, and then I'm gonna put some E in my tank, and then we're gonna run it back and see how much of a difference it makes. I even got the spooky vibes on because we're only a couple days away from October. So I'm actually headed to the gas station right now to meet up with AJ. He actually is filling up on E right now, but like I said, we are gonna get some runs in before I fill up on E, and then afterwards I'm gonna put in E and see how much closer the runs are. Before we get the runs in, comment down below what you guys think is gonna happen. Do you think the B58 on E can take the S55 while it's on 91 octane? I'm about to find out. All right, so we just pulled up to the spot. I don't see him right now, so he's gonna have to wait on his ass. There you go, right there.
Good on gas?
I'm good on gas, man. What's up, G? You know, I was actually worried about it because I filled up yesterday and I've been thinking about it. Obviously, with the E30, I needed to save a little bit of space for the ethanol.
Yeah.
So I filled up yesterday like, damn, I gotta waste some of this gas. So obviously, homeboy's not stock, but I'm gonna let him tell you what he got going on.
So I got pretty much everything. Full bolts on, everything you can think of. Only thing I don't have is a bigger turbo, of course. So high pressure fuel pump. That's basically the equivalent of a Dodge Stage 1. Front mount intake, catless downpipe. I have an ethanol sensor with a flex fuel kit.
So pretty much like full bolt on the E2, you're stage 2 right now?
Literally stage 2.
Stage 2.
Stage 2 plus on a flex fuel map. So I run E50 or I can just go down to 91, anything in between.
For sure. For sure. All right, so we're gonna see how close it is. Like I said, I'm on a 91 stage 2 tune. We're gonna see what the S55 on 91 can do with the B58 on E. Now, spoiler alert, we did get some runs in a couple months ago. I'm not even gonna lie, he was walking me. But curious to see what it's gonna do while it's on E85. Bet y'all didn't know that. Sorry I had to break the news to you. But yeah, a couple months ago, we did get some runs in while he was on his E, and I'm on 91, just for fun. Now granted, he does have anti-lag, so he was using anti-lag for most of the runs, but the only time where it was even close was when he didn't use anti-lag, and he still like started pulling away just a hair towards the end. So my predictions as of right now, while I'm on 91, he'll probably pull on me for sure, but we have not raced at all while this car's been on E, so that's what I'm really looking forward to. For any of you guys that are watching that are new to the channel, my car right now, as mentioned before, is on a stage 2 plus 91 octane tune. I currently have front mount intakes from NorCal Dynamics, and I have a high flow catted downpipe from ARM Motorsports. That's pretty much all I have done to the car. I do have a VRSF single mid pipe. So really all I'm rocking as far as performance are front mount intakes and some high flow catted downpipes. I'm not even gonna lie to y'all. I already know that he's gonna be using anti-lag, so I'm probably gonna have to brake boost in this motherfucker because just to have a chance against his car, like I obviously own the B58, so I know what the fuck they're capable of. Alright. Ready? Yeah. Damn, he's pulling. Alright. Run number 1, he was pulling. No surprise. I knew he was gonna be pulling, but I had the AC on. That's gonna be my excuse. This next run, I'm definitely gonna brake boost a little harder. right there. He's right there. Damn. That one was close. So that was a 40 roll. And that one, I know you guys can't see what I'm seeing, but he is literally right there, like the whole time. All right, so the first, what, 2-3 runs, he obviously pulls away like right from the beginning. Even with me brake boosting, he's pulling away. And I got y'all. I already know y'all are gonna be down in the comments like, well, we can't even see his car. I'm telling you, these runs are close. I'm trying to keep my camera mounted so I can have, you know, both hands on the wheel and just be focused. But these next couple runs, I'll try to hold the camera so you guys can actually see how close it really is. All right, let's see how this goes with me holding the camera. And with my manual transmission shifting as well, god damn. I told y'all that shit is close. And that one was a 60 roll. So hopefully let's try to get a 40 roll right here. Oh, hold on, hold on. So am I surprised that he's pulling on me? Not at all. Like I said, I own a 340. I know what they're capable of. The B58 engine is a freaking beast of an engine, to be honest. I used to be M3s as well in my 340. Like I was saying, am I surprised? Not at all. But I'm definitely very excited to get some E in this car because one, I don't think I've ever raced another M3 when I had my 340 when they had E. So I know these cars are capable of a lot more when they're running E. Got him! Got him! No, he's pulling me in, he's pulling me in. Damn, I was celebrating way too early on that one. I said, got him! And he looked at me like this as he passed me. Stone cold face, like, you ain't got nobody. Honestly, I'm not gonna lie. I think once I'm on E, I think I'm gonna be pulling on him. I'm not gonna lie. Like, these runs, they're pretty close and he's pulling on me in the beginning, but it's not like he's absolutely waxing me. Like, I think E30 is gonna be a big difference for sure. All right, so we're back at the gas station. I'm gonna be filling up on E in this car for the very first time since I've owned it. But obviously I gotta get out my E85 calculator. Those of you that have been watching the channel for a long time and know I used to use this all the time when I had my 340. I pretty much just need to know how much E85 I need to put in my car, considering how much fuel I have in here right now to make an E30 blend. What the hell? That shit's stopping on its own. That's the Lord trying to tell me, don't do it. That's about 5.5 right there. I gotta go ahead and flash the car to an E30 tune since I do not have map switching enabled. As we know, when you're flashing, seatbelt on, car and accessory mode, everything off, lights, AC, and it's a pretty hot day right now, so I'm cooking. I'm not gonna lie to y'all, I'm like a wee bit nervous, just a little bit. Only reason being is because on this car, I do not have the crank hub done. But hopefully just for this video, we're all right. I'm literally risking my car for y'all, so y'all better fucking like this video and subscribe to the channel. No one's gotten rich and famous by playing it safe, which is exactly why I'm not playing it safe. Success. So let's get it. All right, y'all, once again, make y'all bets now down in the comments. Is the S55 capable of beating a B58 on E when the S55 also has E in the tank? Woo! Damn, I am excited. I ain't even gonna lie to y'all. The little nervousness I had just left my body. I just thought, but how embarrassing would it be if I still lost? Like, imagine the first couple runs, he was just fucking with me, you know what I'm saying? Like, he wasn't even brake boosting, he wasn't using anti-lag, none of that. And now he's gonna try something. All right, so I just dropped a gear. I'm gonna do our first little mini pull on E. Yo, insane. There's like a night and day difference. I think he might be in trouble, y'all. I think he might be in trouble. Took off on his ass. Took off on his ass. Yeah, he's not really being this time, y'all. He's not really being this time. Not have played this shit. We got supercars. Yo, that is dope. Fire, bro. Yeah. Yo, what are the odds, bro? What are the odds that we run into supercars, bro? That is crazy. Yo, look at all these supercars, bro. Alright, y'all, so we were following the supercars for a while. It looked like they were all riding as a group. They were just doing like little mini pools for the camera, but they weren't trying to run it. I don't know where they were going, but at this point we're leaving Vegas. So me and AJ turned around and we're just gonna get back to the runs that we were doing. But man, what are the odds of that happening? Like, that is insane. There was probably about 100 supercars. I'm not even gonna lie. They were all the way back as far as the eye could see. Audi R8s, Ferraris, Lamborghinis. That was insane. I've never seen anything like that. Y'all, I'm pulling on him, y'all, like, and I can even hear him using anti-lag. Like, I can hear his turbo spooling. I'm not even brake boosting or nothing. I'm just going, hitting the gas, and I'm pulling on him. E, definitely a game changer for sure. Honestly, I don't even want to go back to 91 octane. This car feels so much more alive, so much faster, so much quicker with the E85 in it. It is going to be tough to go back. Since it is my daily driver, I probably will end up going back, but honestly, night and day difference. This car feels so much faster. All right, so AJ had the dip. He had something he had to take care of. But there you have it. E85 makes a huge difference. And I know a lot of people always say a full tank of E85 is the best, but honestly, from my experience, an E50 blend or an E30 blend will probably give you the best bang for buck when it comes to gas mileage and horsepower. At the end of the day, you're not gonna get that much horsepower out of full E85 as you would on E30. Honestly, I think you get a little more from E30 than you would from going full E85, but fueling is a thing, y'all. Y'all saw it. He was waxing my ass when I was on 91, but on the E30 tune, like, he wasn't even touching me. So can a B58 on E beat an S55 on 91? Yes. Can a B58 be an S55 when you even the playing fields and they're both on E? No, not unless the B58 has a big turbo. But once again, my name is Antonio. If you guys made it this far, thank you for sticking it out to the end. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. And as always, remember your goals and don't stop until you reach them. Peace.
My bitch a press a cut, little demon in the cut, go raiding at the church.